Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. If you would, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now, the purpose of this video series is I'm taking ClickBank products. You know, ClickBank is free. And I'm using a system called My Lead Gen Secret to promote ClickBank products. And I'm trying to make money online using ClickBank and My Lead Gen Secret. What My Lead Gen Secret is, it's a program where they give you 100 leads a day for $1. So as long as you keep paying for this program, as long as you keep giving them $1 a day, you will get 100 leads every single day. So what we're using this program for, starting off, is to build up the leads list. The sales will come easier later once you get the list built up. So the link to sign up for this is right below. So go ahead and get signed up. I recommend at least using 2 accounts while doing this. The case studies that I have seen are using 5 to 7 accounts, and they're having good success doing that. But for my case study, I'm just using 2 accounts. And whenever you sign up your second account, be sure to use the referral link from your first account to sign up your second account. That way your first account will get 100 leads extra every single day. So your first account will get 200 leads every single day, and your second account will get 100. So for $2, you're getting 300 leads every single day. And if you sign up more than 2 accounts, just do the same thing. With your third account, you'll sign it up under your second account's referral link. Your fourth account, you'll sign up under your third account's referral link. And your fifth account, and so on and so on, you'll sign up underneath your fourth one. So I'm going to continue on with my case study, and we're going to check the results from yesterday. So I'm going to sign into my ClickBank. And if you don't have an account, be sure to sign up. The link for ClickBank is also below this video in the description. I do that every single time. Uh-oh, looks like we got a sale. Yes, we made a sale yesterday. Now we got to see where it came from. All right. So I'm going to click on my account nickname right there, and it's going to open up this new tab. I'm going to close this other tab because I don't need it anymore. So there you have it. There's my sale. Got one yesterday. Nice. So I'm going to click on reporting. We're up to 1910 hops. I like to keep track. I made another $12.11. Woohoo! How many hops did I say? 1910. We got 1910 hops. All right, so that's good. We're making sales. We're making sales. Now I'm going to see which tracking ID it came from. So that one came from my first account. The first sale came from this right here, came from my second account, and this sale came from my first account. So I've made 2 sales, one from each account so far. So that's the importance of having different accounts, because if you have 5 accounts, just do the math. The more, the merrier. All right, so now that we've seen where my sales came from, and that I've actually generated a sale, let's keep promoting. So I'm going to click up here on Marketplace. Up here at the top, it says Marketplace. And then it's going to give you these categories all the way over here on the left. What you're going to do is you're going to click on e-business and e-marketing. The leads that we are getting, these 100 leads that we are getting every single day, they are here. These leads are people that want to make money online. So this is a niche that they fall under right here. So if you're selling any other products online that fall into that category, you can use the same system, My Lead Gen Secret, to promote that as long as it's in this category. So you don't just, this ain't just for ClickBank. Let me make that clear. This just ain't for ClickBank. I'm just using ClickBank because ClickBank is free and everybody can do what I'm doing right now. So with that being said, I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. And I always sort everything by gravity. This is the one we've been promoting all week. I was going to go 7 days. I've already done my 7 days. But this, I know they got 10 days worth of emails and we've already made 2 sales. So I might as well just go ahead and finish out the 10 days of emails with this account just because I know it's a offer that people like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click right here where it says affiliate page. And I'm going to open that in a new tab because I want to keep this window open. I'm coming back to this screen. So I'm going to open a new tab. And in this tab, we're going to come down here to the email swipes where it says email swipes. Now we're on email 8. $150 a day uploading Instagram pics. All right, so now we're going to log in to my lead gen secrets. Of course. Also, you can also check your stats here. They have ways where you could check your stats, how many clicks you're getting and things like that. I'm not going to get into too much detail in my case studies, but that's something that you can always check out. So now what you want to do is you want to hit select all. So we're sending this out to 28,600 leads. That's how many leads I've done built up. The subject line, we're going to come back to our email swipes. We're using email number 8. The subject line is $150 a day uploading Instagram pics. So I'm going to paste that right there into the subject line where it says, attention, please replace this text with your email body. You're going to erase all of that. Also, if this is your first video that you're watching, go back and watch the first video of this playlist because I break down everything that I'm doing. Right now, I'm just doing it. I'm not breaking nothing down. I'm just doing it. But in the first video, I explain everything and why I'm doing things the way that I'm doing. So I'm going to copy everything in this body except for the landing page and the affiliate link. We do not need that. We're going to stop right here where it says signature. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that right there. Now my next little trick, if y'all been following me along, is my 0 to 9 trick. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I do that 4 times. And where it says country, I'm going to erase country. I'm going to put your area. All right, so after the word to is where I'm going to do this. So right now I'm just cleaning up my email, making it look better. I'm just going to shorten these lines up just like this. You can do it either way you want to. I just like to open up a notepad and do it from there. Shorten these sentences up. That way they don't go too far past that number 9. Right. And where it says signature, just write your name. All right, now copy all of this. Now I'm going to paste it in this box right here. So I'm going to highlight everything. And I'm just going to hit Control V and paste right over it. Now I'm going to read through this email and where it says, hey name, right here. We're going to come up here where we have these codes. It has full name, first name, last name. We're just going to use the first name. Always use the first name. It just sounds better in the emails. And what that does is that replaces, or that puts the person's name that you're emailing right there in that box right there. So if you're emailing me, it'll say, hey Ebe, we're looking for people from your area to apply apply to this Instagram job. So that's why we do use those codes, because we're not sending out emails to 28,000 people individually calling them by name. We're doing it all at the same time. And that's the code that will do that for you. And right here where it says hit the link below to apply, we're going to highlight this right here. Then we're going to come back to this first page that we were on that I said leave open. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit promote. Make sure your account nickname is right there. That way you'll get paid. Now I like to use a tracking ID. This is not necessary. But since we're using my lead gen secrets, I like to use the MLGS tracking ID just so I can track where these sales are coming from. So I'm going to copy that. So now that's my affiliate link. Whenever people click on this link and buy, that's when I get paid. So I'm going to insert that link right here. So I highlighted this sentence, hit the link below to apply now. So I'm going to click this little URL link up here, and it's going to open up this window. Where it says URL, you're going to post your affiliate link. Click OK. Here's another one. Go to the link below to apply now. We're going to highlight that, insert the link, hit OK. Where it says country, they don't have a code up here for country. So anytime it says country, I just delete that and I type your area. So I'm skimming through the email. Another click here to apply now. Another place to insert my link. There we have it. Click the perfect timing button. Preview to make sure your links work. Because some people will get in a hurry and they'll hit the send button, but they'll forget to put in the link. So I like to make sure that my links are in before I send them. And then we're going to hit send email. Now I can't send another email for 23 hours. So every 23 hours I can come back and send an email. So I sent the emails out with my first account. Now I want to do it with my second account. And to make things a lot easier and faster, this is the way to do it. You come up here on your tab where it says mailing system, and you'll right click on that, and then you'll hit duplicate, and it's going to open up a new tab. In this tab that it just opened, you're going to log out of your account. Now you're going to sign in with your second account. So this is my second account. That's why there's a number 2 behind there. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to click on mailing system, select all leads. It says subject. Now we can come back to this first tab that we just duplicated. We can get our subject from there. Control C, copy. And you can scroll down, select all, erase everything in that body. Scroll down, hit Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Come back over here, paste it, Control V in the body. Click perfect timing. And as you can see, the links are already inserted. That's why we did that. And we didn't have to do the name code or substitute country with your name or your area anymore. And the links work, as you can see, because everything was just duplicated. So the perfect timing box is checked. Send email. So now I'm sending out the emails through my second account. Just that easy. So there we have it. I'm done for the day with ClickBank. So now we play the waiting game again to see if I make a sale tomorrow. So thank you all for tuning in. So be sure to sign up with the links below and get started making money with ClickBank. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.